Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Plusle from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the swirls into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw nose slightly below intersection. Draw mouth. Draw cheek. Draw cheek. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Detail the ear. Draw a rectangle shape for the body shape. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw tongue. Draw a plus sign on the cheek. Draw a plus sign on the cheek. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.